What is up, SV Squad, and welcome back to another mukbang review. I am still here in Bali. This will be my last mukbang here in Bali. I wish I could have done a lot more, but time was very short. So today we're going to be reviewing some of the desserts that I found at the Gianya street markets, the night markets. I picked these up last night and they've just been sitting in the fridge. So hopefully it's not too bad. I do catch my flight in a couple of hours, and I do really hope and pray that I do not get the runs from anything here. The first thing that I'm going to try are these colourful balls. Do mind the fun that you can hear in the background. My nephews are having a swim. We are on holidays, so it's got coconut shreddings. And apparently this is potato, according to the lady. So I'm going to take a bite of it. It just tastes like, I think it's tapioca, however you say that word. And they're just all different colors. I think it's all the same thing. This is an orange one. It just tastes like tapioca. Why can I not say that word? Tapioca. A little bit similar to like the flour that you eat in the kopai. It tastes a little bit like that. They had so many stalls in the night markets of all these different kinds of desserts. All the stores had similar things. This one is, I think, jelly. They're milk jelly. I'm going to take a small bite of that. These are Balinese desserts. And beautiful background I've got here. So I think it's like a milk jelly. Oh, it's slippery. How do I start? I really like this. It's a milk jelly. I really like it. It's like a strawberry flavored milk jelly. You know, like those cha time that the Asian tea places in Australia or New Zealand. Sorry guys, I've got more helpers here. They've decided to come. So Zaya, did you want to review a little taste of this and tell them what you think? Yeah. This is the jelly. Have a little tiny bite.
Oh, he doesn't like that.
Guys, it tastes like strawberry. Yeah. Well, that's a strong taste.
It is a strong taste, hey? So I think this one is a little bit similar. It's a milky milk jelly as well. It's a strawberry one.
And guys, I'm trying this.
Okay, we've already tried that one, but you can have a little bite.
Where? Which one is that?
Tell them what you think.
It tastes like orange, but like a little orangey, but
it tastes like bomb.
What did you say?
It tastes like a bomb.
Okay, so this is the milky one. I had some of this last night at the street night market. I'm gonna just have a little bite from here.
I'm gonna have a little bite now.
I actually think this is off. No, darling, it's yucky.
Is it off?
So the one that I ate last night actually tasted nice, very milky and creamy. But this one I think is off, and I don't want to risk it because I'm catching a flight tonight. So generally these ones are the same milky kind of taste, the milky cream, coconut cream tasty. The next thing we've got, this is a sticky rice. Tastes really weird. It's like, it's the rice is not even like the rice, it's like mashed up. Look inside.
It's weird.
No, it does taste like rice, but
yeah, no, it does.
It's a weird kind of taste. Tastes similar to fapapa, but rice. It's not bad. I think with a little bit of topping, that could be really nice. The next one we're gonna taste is it looks like a matcha pancake with some
sprinkles,
Western sprinkles. It's not bad. It's just like a crepe. A little bite.
Very nice.
It's just like a little pancake crepe with toppings on it. That's all it is. I hope this one isn't off either. So this one is like the same kind of thing as this, I believe. It's also got crystal jellies in there.
Well, that one's off too, guys.
This one is also off.
Off food, yum.
Sorry guys, I wish I had done this yesterday when I just bought it. It was too late by the time we got home, so I do apologize. I don't want this to reflect in any way their kinds of desserts. I really do like the creamy jelly stuff. So the next one is this one. It doesn't really have a smell. I'll give you the honors of going first.
Tastes like nothing.
I think it's just tapioca. It's just like a dough. It has a doughy kind of taste. This is another one that we have. It's got desiccated coconut in it. and I think some banana inside. So yes, banana.
That's not banana.
It is banana.
Are you sure? Mm-hmm. You tasted it.
It's not bad. So a lot of the desserts are using the same kind of dough outside of it. It's like a, I can definitely smell the coconut in the dough. And the second one, which is considered a dessert, apparently, is a risol. It comes with a little chili bean. It smells nice. There. Just have a little bite now. It tastes alright.
It tastes like a normal thing.
It tastes alright. I think if this was still fresh and hot, this would probably be my favorite.
Yeah.
Tastes really good. And the last thing we have, chocolate fritters, I think. Chocolate fritters. I don't know what she said was inside of it. I can't remember. Oh, banana. Oh, this is really nice, guys. It's crumbed. It's crumbed banana with a bit of chocolate on the top. I really don't mind that banana fritter. It's really nice. But guys, that is all the dessert I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry that I didn't organize this a little bit better in terms of eating them all. Just didn't want to risk it. We hope that you enjoyed it just as much as we did, you know, watching our vlogs and living what we went through and what we experienced here in Bali through our lens. This is all of our desserts we have, and without further ado, we're just going to end it off here. And do mind the looks, because I am so puffy. When it's really hot, I get really swelly. But I'll be seeing Aussie Boy in a couple of hours, so you guys will also see that. If you haven't checked out the vlogs, go to my page and watch the Bali vlogs. You don't want to miss out. We've done some awesome stuff here in Bali, so make sure you check them out. If you like this video, you guys know what to do. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications, comment down below your favorite part, what you liked, if you've experienced or tasted any of these here when you've been in Bali, or if you know the names of anything here. I'm sorry, I don't know the names of anything that we've tried. But that is it for us today. We love you guys. SB Squad signing out.